Okay, KGB here. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Just doing a weekend update of what we've been looking at in this past week and what we got looking forward. And quick shout out to Richard Newton. Everyone's talking about him on Twitter. Yes, he pulled back from YouTube, and we wish him all the best. God bless in his next stage for whatever he's doing. And hey, hopefully he comes back, man. When GME starts to move here shortly, I think. You know, it'd be great to see him come back, but we do wish him all the best. He helped me a lot on my channel, not only on my channel, but in my walk in my faith. So God bless him, and you know, we wish him all the best. So, but he knows this. He knows this. So the GOAT, Richard Newton. So we're gonna go over GME real quick. As you know, well, we're gonna go over a lot. This might be a little longer than normal, but not much. This is the 4-hour chart that we've been watching, AMC Fractal. And as you know from my previous videos, this is where I think we are. And right in here, this line right here, is where I think they slowed down the algorithm substantially. So what I've done is I've taken this portion right here and turned it into this and lined it up for you guys. Now, I thought we were going to go right here last week, but it turns out they had other ideas. Those ideas were, as I posted in my video, they repeated this algo here. They repeated this algo here, right here. Just repeated it, and we're sitting in here, and they're going to do it again probably right here. I can do that on a 15-minute. I will show you, but this is where they repeated right here. So I can just take this and show you right here. So as you have seen in my last video, they did this with many stocks, and I did it in my stream today. I showed probably about 4 that they did this with, and I think we break out of this rounded top and we go like sometime. Now what I think is going to happen, if you look at IWM, is we're going to do this. We're going to have a bit of a pump Monday morning ish, and then we're going to see some downside, and that's what I think is going to kind of go with the whole market here. We're going to see some early movement to the upside. Hopefully we see something like this, and then till the end of the month we're going to see substantial either downside or sideways action. We can kind of verify this with crypto. As you know, I thought we were going to have a pump last week. Of course, they kicked the can. HYMC actually looks real good too. So HYMC negative beta, I think, you know, junior gold miners go up as the market goes down. So I think we actually see some movement in these, as well as Holo. I think they're gonna have a distraction stock. You can really see this with the Holo warrants, right in here. So I think we see this with Holo coming soon, big old move, and many other stocks, MLGO as well. We are lining up many. You know, I did a video of alignment, how the algorithms are aligning, and I do think we're right in here. This is a Doge fractal. Now, if you go and look at Doge, I think we had a little delay, but we were supposed to run in here, but because they can kicked everything for a week, I actually think we're in here now, and we should see a big move either this weekend or early Monday into next week, and then we see this downside into the end of the month. And you can see it through many different stocks. We looked at, you know, SHIB, you know, Ethereum, same thing. We're breaking out of here. XLM, XRP as well. So broadening wedge, we should come up to here. HBAR, right? We should see this. So I'm really thinking that we see a big move here this weekend. We do have a lot of divergences that you can see with, like, DJT started having a nice run. So here's another little confirmation with DJT. We have some divergence here, as you can see on like a 4-hour or daily. I think I had it. You can see the divergence, right? MACD going up, PMO, look at the PMO, right? So we have some convergence and divergence ready to go. And I'm fairly bullish on the weeks to come, just not on the immediate. I think we see a pump and then a dump. And AMC also. Now you can really see this on AMC. Whoops. We've been following this GME 2020 fractal for a very long time. And I'll zoom out so you can see that. But this is where I think we are on AMC, right here. Right in here. So we could see a big move coming shortly in the next coming weeks. As soon as they stop kicking this can. And here's a, I showed this already, but I'm going to show it again, just because it is so important to realize how they are slowing everything down here. Now this is MP. We started this right here. They started running this algo right here. And you can see how this played out, and then you can see they did it again. And then you can see they did it again. Right here. And then you can see they did it again. Right here. Right? And again. So they're just, they delayed this one for like a few weeks, man. And so this is where I think we are right here. We should see the finish of this on the 15-minute, but then Monday we hopefully break out of this and they stop doing this. I don't know what the point is, but they're really slowing these things down. INVZ, we had a big old, we need to go back to the hour. INVZ had a big old pump. We're right in here, I think. SEDG had a big old pump. We're right in here. And Run also had a big old pump. We're right in here. So we are following very well on a lot of these, and seeing some of these things kind of play out. But Bumble has been a repeat as well, as you can see here. We repeated this right here. So yeah, Bumble was delayed a little bit as well. I do think we see some more upside on Bumble, and a bunch of other ones. Like, look at POWW. It's right here, POWW. Sorry for the background noise. Kids are doing stuff here. So POWW, I'm expecting a big move here as well. Looking at this, bullish all the way around. Divergence on the, well, I guess we're on the 4-hour right now, but divergence here, looking beautiful, man. So yeah, I thought I would show you a little bit. Oh, SIRI, geez, man, look at SIRI, boys. SIRI is beautiful. SIRI is beautiful. Big old pump coming on SIRI. Look at this thing. This goes on the 1 hour. Man, everyone's looking at UNH, but I think, I don't know what the proof is that Buffett is in UNH, but I'm looking at SIRI right now. So this thing is looking beautiful. I think we see a big pump on SIRI very shortly, right out of the gate, and continuation from the last few days. DJT as well. So yeah, costs also had a great day, a great move. I think we're right in here on costs. See this little thing right here, right over top of here. So cost has a lot of pressure to the upside coming. Chewy did very well. Newell's looking beautiful. I have this on the daily. Liking where Newell is sitting. IEP as well. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. Just want to do a quick update video, And I did a longer bit. If you want to watch the stream, I'll leave it open for a little bit. We did a stream today. You can watch that if you want. And now you know what I think I know. Not financial advice, of course. This is just crayon drawings that my kids drew. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Touch grass, because we got some fun time coming in the next 7 to 8 weeks, in my opinion. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. Have a great weekend, boys.